Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So we have been assigned a Copilot license or you purchased one yourself, but it's not showing up in your Microsoft 365 apps. The Copilot button is missing and you are wondering if you wasted your money. This is surprisingly common according to Microsoft support documentation. A newly assigned Copilot license can take time to propagate. Device-based licensing is not supported at all. A user-based license is totally required, and if you are in the wrong update channels, Copilot simply won't appear at all. So what you're gonna do at this point? You have to wait for license propagation. If the license was just assigned, it can take up to 24 hours to propagate across Microsoft systems. This is especially common with educational benefits and business licenses. You also have to confirm the correct sign-in account. This is the most common reason a license doesn't show up at all. You are signed into the wrong account. Open Word or any Microsoft 365 app, go to File, Account, and verify the info of the correct account. Then you have to update the Office and refresh the license if needed. In any Microsoft 365 app, go to File, Account, enter product information, select Update options, Update now. After the updates finish, select Update License from the same screen, close and restart all of the apps, and that's it. You can also go and check the update channel and also make sure to enable the privacy settings in the menu. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.